Skylar here, Boucher Cadillac. Here today is our 2010 Ford Mustang GT. Clean CarFax report vehicle, 2-owner, fully inspected by our factory trained technicians. Exceptionally well kept. Has Steeda rear mufflers, not too loud but sounds great. American muscle wheels in great shape. Drilled and slotted rotors, plenty of tire left. Also have a set of winter wheels with the stock tires available for the vehicle. Black leather interior. Heated seats. Hurst shifter. Only 81,000 miles. This clean Mustang won't last long. Come see Skylar, Boucher Cadillac, 262-754-9600.